Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from these decks, guys, and I'll be giving the love message from your person at last. That is what your person feels towards you or what you feel towards your person, guys. Eight of Swords, Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Wands, Eight of Cups. Aries, with these cards, I feel you are in relationship with the person, but this person is not what you expect them to be. There may be some kind of secret surrounding them, and you may feel they are not true enough. Maybe you are really honest and trustworthy. Maybe they are not replicating the same kind of reciprocating the same kind of feelings towards you. You may feel some kind of conflicts with this person. There is something that is not right with them, guys, and you feel really upset because of that. And maybe because of the situation or because of their character or qualities you see in them, there is some kind of something is missing, you feel, in this relationship, and you are not sure that they are trustworthy. You may feel there is a third party involved. They may be seeing somebody else, something of that sort, guys, and you do not trust them and you want to find out about them. Maybe this is the energy with them. They may feel that they cannot trust you and they need to find more about you. They may be trying to spy on you, gather information from your friends or family. They may be trying to find out more about you. They may be spying you, guys. Maybe this is your energy. That may also be the energy here, guys. Maybe for some of you all it may concern your work. Maybe things are not going as you expected, guys. So you may feel that you have to be very vigilant, attentive about what is happening. Maybe some kind of job transfer or promotion is happening, so you're very conscious about the workings in your office or the people whom you work with. You are not sure about them. You cannot trust them, you feel. So you are very attentive of their every move. So that is the way you feel, guys. You feel you need to be very cautious, and you have to have a close watch on your situation. Maybe this may concern your person or in your work. So that is the way you feel. But one of you all is trustworthy and honest. The other person has this kind of energy. So that is what the energy is with these cards, guys. And you want to just go away from these feelings. You are really sad because of that. Maybe this can also be due to some kind of third hand information that you got about this person, that you have that you feel you cannot trust them. Maybe they are trustworthy, maybe they are honest, but some gossip or some information that you would have got about them is troubling you. So you are trying to move away from this person, guys. That may also be the energy here, Aries. Let's see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. lower. Aries, with these cards I feel something new is definitely coming in. Maybe the situation is going to change, guys. Maybe right now the situation is not up to expectations, but with these positive cards I feel it is going to change your life. You are going to turn a new leaf, new chapter in your life. Maybe the doubts whatever you're having with this person, you will be able to overcome them, guys. For some of y'all, or maybe your person, that they have great aspiration, great responsibilities, so they may be concentrating on that. That may be the reason that this kind of gossips or some kind of division is there. That may be the energy here, guys. Or maybe this person wants you, guys. They want you, they want to spend time with you, but at the same time they want to set their life, they want to achieve for themselves. They have few challenges to face themselves, so they want to clear that phase first, then come to you with a strong commitment. So that may also be the reason that they are what to do, what to say, they are taking their time. They may want to come with a strong commitment, so they are first clearing their whatever work commitments they have before they come and commit in your relationship, commit to you strongly. So they may be taking time to set things right, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Aries. But something very lucky is coming towards you, guys, some rare opportunity. So it is a time for you to use it immediately. So it may not last long, this opportunity. So something of that sort, guys, is coming to you. Maybe some of you all are having a child, or maybe some of you all are starting a new venture in your work, something new, some new business or something of that sort, guys. Or maybe you are moving to a different place, starting something new. That may also be the energy here. So this may be you, or this may be your person, guys. So this energy is work, vice versa. So something new coming in, guys, and maybe because of that, may be the reason that they are moving away from this relationship to set things right for both of you all and come back, or set things right in their life, in their work, and come back with a strong commitment. So this is the energy with these cards, guys. Let's see what the fairies are guiding us to do today. Out trick or treating, we are here really. Aries, the energies with these cards is like outright, when we just see something, we form a certain kind of meaning for that. So it may be based on some past understanding we had, guys, but you should not simply judge anything just by the way it appears. So sometimes you need to overcome your old thought patterns and see the truth inside any situation or any person. When you have that courage to do that, when you have the courage to see the truth beyond all your preconceived notions, you will really see a different world, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Aries. Let us see what is the message from your person for you all, guys. What is the message your person wants to tell you, or what you want to tell them? You respect my decisions. So this person trusts you and loves you for what you are, guys, and they really have great concerns for you. So they will just implicitly accept whatever you decide for them in this relationship. So that is the energy here. Maybe this is your energy with this person, or this may be their energy with you, Aries. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.